Welcome to the new weekly analysis with the Harmonic scanner. In the previous week analysis, I have mentioned that I am currently watching the gold against silver. And this is something that I am currently showing you, that the bearish bad pattern that is formed on the chart has reached the second take profit. We can see that here. So this bearish bad pattern has been successful. The Harmonic scanner that has been formed with this bearish bad pattern has detected this pattern, suggesting further decline in value. This is something that has happened. And also, if you take a look in the previous week analysis, the New Zealand dollar against CHF on the 4-hour time frame was also a successful one. So we can see how the Harmonic scanner works. It detects the pattern, sends you information of the telegram, and then you can make your own analysis just to confirm this pattern that's been detected by the Harmonic scanner is in line with your analysis, so it is increasing the chances of being a profitable trade. Now let's continue further on how to use this Harmonic scanner. Whenever you open the homepage of a Harmonic scanner, especially this scanner, you'll see the chart in front of you with a small window which can be moved around so that it doesn't bother you when you make the analysis. You can also remove this one by clicking on this button here, or you can leave it here and show all the patterns that are currently visible on the chart. Whenever you change the time frame on the chart, this scanner will show you different patterns that are available currently on that time frame. So you can simply change that, and this small window will populate with all the patterns that are currently available on the chart. Now, there are also different colors for each of these patterns visible on the chart, so it can be easily be distinguished between each of these patterns which are currently on the chart. So we can see the crab is some kind of orange or brown. Then you have a deep crab, also the same color. You have a gartley with the blue color. Then you have a bat with the green color, and so on and so on. So whenever you click on this button show, you will also have the details for that pattern. For example, potential reversal zone, which is the gray area. You will have a target 1, target 2, which are the first and the second green line. You will have a stop loss, and you will have a risk reward. Risk reward means if you start here your trade with the blue line, compared to the loss, you will have 5 times 0.74 more profit than it is the loss. So this is a great information for you to make the decision which one to trade, and especially if it is worth it to trade that one. After that, you have on the left side all the tools for charting. So if you would like to make the analysis, for example, put horizontal support and the resistance line, you can do that by picking horizontal ray or vertical line or a trend line. Then you have here on the upper side, you have potentially options to compare or add symbols. You can use indicators, you can use templates, and you can also use this button to hide or show, and also to use these settings. Now you can see you can put successful patterns, you can put support and the resistance levels, for example like this. You can see the blue lines show and disappear. Then you have failed patterns if you would like. Then you can also select which patterns you would like to see on the chart. So I have moved this one to off because I do not want to track them. But if you would like to have them activated, feel free to do that just by clicking on these buttons. After that, if you have finished with this one, you can go to the monitor tab, which have much more details information. It has a table here populated with the symbols and also patterns with the time frame, and also the reward risk informations, which you can define by selecting these settings. Inside the settings, you can select which pattern status you would like to have. You have a time frame, 4-hour time frame, daily time frame. For these pattern status, you have a complete, incomplete, and mature. All these status has been completely covered with another video. Feel free to check the YouTube channel with more information so you can understand which means complete, incomplete, and mature. Most of the time, the complete are ready for trading, so it is the best to have these ones. Then you have a time frame. I have selected only 4-hour time frame, the daily, because I would like to populate this table only with the patterns that are on the 4-hour time frame and the daily. Higher time frame, it is better to watch, and it has much more clear information about the market movements. Then you can select asset classes. I have selected only Forex, but you can also use commodity, metal, bonds, and indices. For the patterns, I have selected only bad pattern because I only analyzed the bad pattern. You can select all of them, and whenever there is pattern format, you will see that this table will populate with these patterns that you have selected. When I remove this one, you can see that I have only bad pattern inside this column of patterns. Below that you have a bullish and bearish, which means the price is going up for the bulls, and for the bears the price is going down. Then inside the security, you can go deeply into which symbols you would like to watch. I have selected only majors, and we can see that you have much more of these: metal, commodities, indices, bonds, and so on and so on. Which one you would like, it depends on you. Then you have here potentially a template you can save. If you would like to have only, for example, daily bad pattern, you can type here a new view, put all the settings, and then click the save. When you save this view, you will have an option to select them in the future, so you do not need to go each time through these settings to select the settings you would like to have. Now when you click here inside on any of these rows, for example Euro GBP, here inside the chart it is immediately populated this information for you, so you can see this pattern format on the chart. This one is failed, we can see that, but you have also successful ones where the price has gone from the D point, which is the starting point, to the second take profit, not touching the stop loss, so we can see that. So the price has gone all the way back down, reaching the second take profit, so this one is a successful. You can use this table also as a kind of information to make the analysis, how many successful, which patterns are successful more than others, and also which symbols are more successful than others. This can be helpful, so you feel free to join and also check the analysis. You have a free trial, 7 days, so you can check it for yourself, is it good or not. And then you have potentially notification. If you would like to receive notification from the Telegram, whenever the Harmonic scanner detects one of the symbols and also the patterns, you will receive notification on the Telegram. You can start the Telegram bot by clicking this one here. So this table is populated with all the settings you select. It is the same settings where you define which patterns, which time frame you would like to receive, and inside the watch list you select which symbols you would like. You can use Forex Major, Forex Minor, but there is a possibility to also use this one, the list where you can add the new symbol. Simply type it here. For example, I have put here Bitcoin, Ethereum against dollar, just to watch also the crypto symbols if you would like. Then whenever the Harmonic app detects this pattern on this specific time frame, on this specific symbol, I receive information on the Telegram with the link. So when I click on the link, for example, like in this case, I click on the link, it immediately shows me the chart with this pattern, ready to make the analysis or decide to trade or not. So this is very helpful for you if you would like to receive quick information and to react very quickly, so you do not miss the chance to make the analysis and also to make the trade. So for now, this is all for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. See you next time and happy trading.